In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Calendly workflows. If you want to save time, reduce manual follow-up, and make your scheduling process run more smoothly, Calendly workflows are a great tool to use. They let you automatically send reminders, follow-ups, and notifications based on your scheduled events. Let's walk through how to set one up from start to finish. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Workflows. This is the area where you can create and manage automations connected to your meetings. Next, find the workflow template you want to use and click Add Workflow. Templates are helpful because they give you a starting point based on common automation needs, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. After that, enter a name in the workflow name field. Choose a name that clearly describes what the workflow does. This makes it much easier to stay organized later, especially if you end up creating multiple workflows for different event types or audiences. Now, open the drop-down labeled Which event types will this apply to? From there, select the event type or event types you want this automation to be connected to. This is an important step because it determines exactly when and where the workflow will be used. Under the section called When This Happens, click Edit and choose the trigger timing for the workflow. This is where you decide when the automation should run, such as before an event or after one has been scheduled. Picking the right timing helps make sure your communication reaches people at the most useful moment. Then move to the Do This section and click Edit on the action you want to customize. Here you can adjust the email, text message, or notification that will be sent. Take a moment to review the wording so the message is clear, professional, and aligned with the purpose of the meeting. If you want the workflow to do more than one thing, click Add Action. This allows you to include additional automated actions, which can be useful if you want to combine reminders, notifications, and follow-up messages into a single workflow. Before turning it on, review everything carefully. Check the workflow name, the selected event types, the trigger timing, and all actions. A quick review helps you catch mistakes and make sure the automation behaves exactly the way you expect. Once everything looks good, save the workflow to activate the automation. From that point on, Calendly will handle those actions automatically based on the setup you created. Thanks for watching.